What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Oak Brothers Garage. Now I just stopped to purchase some extra foam to make fender flares. Probably maybe as you know from my Instagram account that finally the fender flares are arrived, and I tried how they look on my car, not actually mine but brother's car, on the same Porsche 944. There was just a few places where we don't know how they will fit because brother have a turbo splitter at the rear. So now I started fabricating molds for the fender flares. Just picking up the foam, need to continue do some jobs, and also I pick it up yesterday big brake kit. That's good news for me. I always wanted good brakes on my cars. Unfortunately this summer car will stay in a garage and not roll out because I don't want to go fast as I can, but make everything in a good quality, step by step, and make it perfect, because now I can't give a car to paint job guys because I need to install the fenders, cut right the metal fenders, and be sure that technical inspection I will pass with these. So stay tuned, and more coming up. So just did foaming for the rear fender. Now I will try to cut what I can cut, but I don't think so I can cut right now anything because I'll let it cure till tomorrow. Tomorrow I will remove the cardboard, check it out. It does everywhere is the foam, and I can start doing few things to prepare maybe this one, or maybe we'll do the front fender. We'll see tomorrow. Maybe we'll need still somewhere put some foam. But overall I think this will be a good solution, and I can start preparing the molds. Probably that's it with this part. Also today I picked up some parts, so let's check it out, those parts. So let's start with the kind of front parts. These are new suspensions from a later model. This is aluminum. So these bushings are DIY. The guys doing such jobs, such a work with these. So these are more stiffer, and will be pressed here on both sides. Same here. Let's move forward. Brakes. I have two knuckles. One left at the friend, this guy who sold me. He will drill a speedometer hole, and these ones are Lindsay Racing adapters for the brake, for the big brake kit. Also with the Lindsay Racing adapters. Calipers I purchased new without kind of Porsche letters on it. I will do them by myself. I think I will reassemble them. I don't know in which color they come, but I think I will still paint them in yellow because my car have engine in yellow, much other parts around the engine in yellow. So I need to stick it up, stick to kind of yellow, black, maybe now somewhere brown, because I decided not to paint car in a black. I did a basic job on a wheel hub. I disassemble it from wheel hub and the knuckle, so both parts needs to be painted. I think I will send them to a powder coating next week because today is Friday. Just removed the cardboard. Unfortunately it was tough part because it stick really hard to a foam. and you need to remove it piece by piece, centimeter by centimeter. So still some spots left, need to finish that. Cardboard removed. I don't think so that I will remove this few spots, because I realized that the angle of the wall is moving a bit inside, and if I will leave it as it is and use just the mask, it will make a mechanical lock, so it will be impossible to remove the part from the mold. So I will make some kind of measurements, and I think I will need to mask all this area and then sand it, because now sanding will not give anything. I just sand it a bit the corners, cut it and sand it a bit this corner, and also this one. Here I made an angle. Here we need to fill more. Also, I think I will tomorrow go and pick some masking. I will mask all this sand, because now sanding will be just time wasting. This morning I buy the green glass fiber hoodie, this one, and I started to put it on a foam, so I will prepare it, measure out the angles to be sure that it will not lock in. So now I will continue applying, and then I need to start sanding. While this corner is curing after the second layer, I will jump and mask these parts, because here where the wheel comes on the hub, don't need to be paint, so I will powder coat them. So now I will grab the aluminium tape and mask this place. As you can see, it's finally completed, one step closer. So here I finished this corner just right now. And actually here's a few spots where I need to sand a bit to keep it polishable later. Yeah, so now I will start preparing probably some small spots where there's still some holes left, like here, maybe here, to keep it more safe, and it will be easy to release. As I told you before about these angles, so finally now they are correct. Probably, yeah, that's it. I need to start doing some small tricky jobs to finish and prepare for a first layer of fiberglass. On a weekend that I went to bodywork guy Uldus, I'll link down below. So as you remember, probably I dropped out the brake booster at him. It's painted, and painted in actual car color. I still don't know will this color fit, but I think more or less yes. And yeah, so we have here the brake booster. You see, it probably looks like it's a black, and here is a brown color. It's in my fingerprints, but if you see closer, it's in the shade, it's in the garage now. So probably on the sunshine it will looks amazing. Yeah, you see the brown tone there. Let's go outside and check how it looks on the daylight. You can see maybe something, maybe not. I'm watching through the GoPro display, so I will try to move it. Try maybe catch some sun. Yeah, so color looks really amazing in the daylight. I think definitely we will go for this color for a car. I want to say thanks to Uldis because I tried to see how color looks on a bigger part. So now I will still wait maybe for a sun and then show to you. Sun a bit outside, so I will show you quick how it looks on the sunlight. I think the color is gorgeous for such a build. I say yes to the color, and we will see at the end how the car will look. But now let's get back to the part to polishing with a water sandpaper. Also in parallel I'm watching World RX, and my actually friend Arthur is there. He runs in a SRT team, Sport Racing Technologies, which is also based here in Latvia. We'll see how the luck will face them. I finished polishing by hand. Now I'm preparing the machine to start polishing with the machine to be sure that everything is well polished. Also, I will polish the actual part, actual fender, because probably there's some drips or spots where I need to polish more. And yeah, that's probably the last step before we can apply some release agents and then start putting some wet layups of glass fiber. And of course, first of all, we'll go with the gel coat and then fiberglass. And then we will ensure that everything is well made and pop out the real mold. Hope it will came off really easy without any surprises. So let's go and start polishing with the machine. I will use the just small angle grinder with a speed possibility. So I bought this foam pad in a local Home Depot, so I think it will work fine. I will use Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. I don't have any other ones, so I think they will help me and help me to reach a great result. So we'll see. I'm done with the polishing of the machine. Went really quick and easy. So now I will clean all the area here. Start putting a radius in the corner to make it better for layup. And also I think I will mask some parts here with this yellow plastic. And then probably I can start apply first layers of the wax of release mold. And in next episode we will start put the wet layups, because I need to buy fiberglass and all the other stuff. So it will be in the next episode. that's a wrap of an episode. Hit the like button, of course, comment section below if you have any questions. And do not forget about subscribe button, because then you will be notified when the next episode, how we will make a mold of this part, will be dropped on the channel. Stay tuned and see you in next episode.